Hi guys and welcome to educational live trade video for the day. Today is 19th of March, so let's see how the market has opened today. So going to the pre-open market page, here we can see that the market is opening 0.5% down. Okay, so 109.25% down. Advanced stocks are only 9, declines are 38 and unchanged is 3 stocks. So let's see how the market will perform today. So guys, I have decided to trade on Kotak Bank. So I'll just try to buy this stock once it crosses above 1738, somewhere around there. So I'll just buy it now and we'll see how the stock will perform today. And I'm planning to keep the target up to 5 or 6 points. Okay. So as you guys can see here, this stock tried to go up from morning. Yes, the market is opening in a bearish way today, but this stock has taken a good support. You can see here, first candle is a red candle, but the buyers came in and tried to push the stock, and the second candle is a very good strong green candle. So by looking at this kind of movement and by seeing the buyers coming in, I have decided that this stock can go for a bullish as of now. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform, and I'm planning to keep the target up to 5 or 6 points, and also I'll be showing you where I take the exit and everything. So watch the video till the end. And also, as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators based on my study and the strategy. And if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my unique and personal trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join us, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. The course prices are very reasonably priced, and also once you join, you get everyday live market personal support as well. You can just go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from almost 5 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to join us and to discuss with me. So guys, yes, now back to the trade. If you guys can see here, the stock has now made a new high of almost close to 1740. I can see here. So yes, 1740.15 is a new high. So the stock is gaining the momentum here towards the buying side. Even the market is bearish, this stock is in a good support and it is gaining the buyers. Okay, so that's the reason why I have gone on a buying side today. So 1740.15 is a new high what it has made. So somewhere once it cross 1741 or 1742, I'll just plan to take my exit. Okay, so let's wait for it to perform. So yes, according to my study and the strategy, we are trading, and also as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators. Okay, so we are expecting a little bit of a movement towards the buying side. Let's wait for a few minutes and I'll be showing you where I take the exit and everything. Okay, so yes, 1740.20, so the buyers are coming in. It is making a new high here, so let's wait and see how the stock will perform, and I'll update you where I take the exit as well. Okay, so yes, it is almost close to 1741 now, if you guys can see. So guys, yes, this is the end of the day chart for the day, and today the stock has gone up till almost 1757, as you guys can see here, and I have taken my exit by almost booking close to 5 points of target. So this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of Kotak Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me.